We like to have themes at Shop Marketing Pro to guide us through the year, something that pulls everything together. And our theme for 2024 is magnetic. So this word it's a very cool word, but what does it mean? For me, as the person who does most of the talking to shops who are interested in working with us, I talk to all sorts of different personalities, and I've learned over time that there are specific shops that gravitate towards us, that are pulled toward us, just like a magnet.
It really resonated with me because of the attribute that it connects. It brings things together, and that's super important to me. I see that working in so many different ways throughout the course of 2024.
To me, magnetic means bringing you the right customers into your auto repair shop through perfectly optimized digital ads.
So this year our theme is magnetism, and if you ever hear the concept about how you are as good as the people around you, and it just so happens that so many of our clients that we're so thankful to have those same goals and ideals. So we just want to do more of that and help people through our marketing services and continue to elevate one another.
Just as magnets bring and hold things together, S&P is a hub of connections. We attract ideal clients, unite them with their perfect audience, and forge powerful partnerships within the automotive industry.
As a marketing company, the idea of being magnetic is something that's very important to us. We want people to be drawn towards us, just like, in your marketing, you want your marketing to draw people towards you, but at the same time, you want it to push the people who are not the right fit for your business away from you.
As a shop owner, this may look really similar to you because you want to bring in your ideal clients, your great repairs that you love to work on and that your staff is comfortable with, and continue to grow your team in the best ways possible. So really similar to what we do here at Shop Marketing Pros, we're looking to have a super magnetic year this year, and we hope that you do as well.
Our theme for 2024 is magnetic.
Oh, I guess it's magnetic.
I think it's magnetic. It's like, I guess everyone's the same thing.
Yeah.
But like also.
All right. La la la.
All right, look, we're ready to hit the button, so y'all need to do what you're gonna do and get the heck out of here. Because I'm the boss.
My job description.
You know I don't like it way up in my face.
Ready? Real.
Okay. I'm not even messing up what I think that I am. Okay, energy, passion, footwork.
Stay tuned and follow us to see how we incorporate magnetic into our theme for the year.